Okay, as you can see, the boxes are behind us. We are in our house in New York. Sad, really a little crushed inside. We're gonna be moving. So we're moving. Our kids do not know where we're moving. And finally, we just had to tell them because we feel bad misleading them. We also want them to be a part of the excitement, but we thought it would be exciting for them not to know while we're driving cross country, but my wife and I can't handle it anymore because we slip. And we just don't like to keep secrets from our kids. What we're trying to fit in the back of a Durango with a cargo carrier. All these bags. This is what cross-country traveling is about. The rest of our stuff is in the moving truck, and this is like the essentials that we need. I mean, it's not really funny because a lot of stuff we need. I probably would have done better, a lot better with a trailer. It's just I didn't want to try it this time, so that's it. Let's see if we can do it.
Hi. I'm a hot mess, but you know what?
Look at this.
So far, so good. And I think we're gonna fit everything. Okay.
So what's left? The top is packed. We're not going in there. It is packed. You doing good, honey?
Yeah.
I'm definitely not making her do it all. I just carry the stuff out and she's doing the Tetris and fitting it in there. But she's doing a great job. I think we're gonna do the best we can. And once it's in there, I don't want to open it, but we're gonna have to access stuff. But this is a part of the adventure, and we're starting it today. Always side, Shayna's side, so they don't fight. That's how we did it. No, it's because we need to fit the stuff in there. But it also works for a non-fighting barrier. Oh my goodness, this thing is stuffed.
Where am I gonna even sit?
All right, we made it into the car. Of course we were going to, but sometimes it seems like we never will, in that it takes a lot to pack. As you can see, you can't see anybody but me because this thing is packed to the brim. The biggest change between this move and our last move in 2013 when we moved from the West Coast to the East Coast is that I had a travel trailer in the back, which is a 6x10, virtually unlimited space. This time we didn't want to do that. Why? It's January, we're traveling in winter time. Well, it's Florida now. First of all, bye Florida. We're gonna miss you very much. It's our home. As you know, we have a home here, so we're leaving our home in Florida. It is 70 degrees right now in January. This is Florida life. We're gonna miss it. But everywhere else west of here is gonna be cold, and especially when we hit mountainous areas, there could be snow. So I don't want to take a trailer, and we didn't want to drive two cars. So all that to say, this is why this thing is packed. We just had to get out of the house. My wife did an excellent job. I showed you the video. I showed you what the back looked like, and we literally used every single square inch of this thing. But when we get to our first stop, we're going to have to reorganize. But here's the start of it. The start of our road trip, heading west. Well, like I always tell you, west can mean Texas, it could mean Alabama. We could be going west up to North Dakota. You guys don't know yet. We're excited to start this adventure, and we're glad you're joining us. Yeah, this is not normal, but because we have so much stuff, now we found a way to stretch out. We're going to St. Augustine, our favorite place to say goodbye, but also because I want to get a little video of us leaving one of our favorite places, maybe get some drone shots. But we're here in North Florida, going to St. Augustine, the oldest city in the United States. We're at St. Augustine Beach, one of our favorite beaches here in North Florida. We just got done droning, so I hope you enjoyed that. We're finally gonna get on the road. We drove about 45 minutes from our house to St. Augustine Beach just to say goodbye to the Atlantic Ocean. We have been packing all morning, so now it's time to finally hit the road. We got 8 hours ahead of us. Mommy and Shane are in the car, but here we go. The start of our trip from Florida, headed west. Where we're going, you're gonna find out.
We are at St. Augustine Beach.
You like coming here?
Yeah.
You gonna miss it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss it too. All right, we got our pictures in St. Augustine. I got a little drone shots. I hope you enjoyed that. We are officially hitting the road right now. We got about 8.5-hour drive on Google Maps. That is without stopping. So we're obviously gonna have to stop and eat, use the bathroom, but here we go. This is a long stretch on this first one because as much as we love Destin, as much as we love some of the other places, Mobile's kind of nice, we're trying to pass right through to sleep in New Orleans. So here we go from St. Augustine, Florida, the Atlantic Ocean. We're gonna be on the Gulf tonight in New Orleans. We're gonna get on I-95 north for just a few miles, and really the bulk of our drive, the bulk of our 8-hour drive is gonna be on I-10 heading west. I-10, so I hope we can get to Destin, Florida. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I wanted to get some drone shots at Destin, Florida, but by the time we get there, I think it's gonna be dark. I really wanted to get some shots. The Gulf is beautiful, as you guys might know. Clear water, but again, I think we're just gonna miss it. We left a little too late, but we're gonna take I-10 west from Florida all the way to New Orleans. We're at Buc-ee's world famous Texas truck stop. We're here in Florida, of course, but Buc-ee's is huge. They got everything you can think of. And right here behind me is a beef jerky wall, so I'm gonna grab some beef jerky, try to stay up. It's a little bit late. We're gonna get in about midnight. Grabbing some things to eat, help me stay up on our drive here in Florida. Actually, no, we're in Alabama right now, here at Buc-ee's.